Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
The property market's doing really well at the moment, actually. So we're sitting at about 550 stock on the market, and what that means is we're not seeing a lot of stock, which we're probably about 200 lower from what we usually are at this time of year, but we're going to see some coming on for spring. We've got about 5 or 6 new listings coming on this week, so it's definitely starting to pick up.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I will try to do something different today, not just the stock. Wanted to let you know that RBA might be cutting interest rate. There's a lot of water on the street and investors are back in the market. With commercial, we're seeing investors everywhere. So there might be some positive news on the market.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Seems to be a slight increase in the number of properties coming to market. Buyer activity seems to be picking up. There's a lot, particularly around the entry-level apartment market. Housing market quite thin across the whole Northern Beaches. So I'd expect to see a run maybe in 2 to 3 months.
Whoa. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Property market is slowly starting to see more stock like this, which will come on. You won't see it many places, but it's beautiful. We're starting as an agency to list a lot and have a lot come up for rent. So the market is in a really good position now for prospective buyers and renters to get out there and start having a look at their next property. And for sellers and potential landlords, it's a good time to get your property on now, just before spring market comes.
Here he's coming. Here he is. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I had another 2-bedroom over the weekend. I had 20 groups through. That's the second weekend in a row. The entry-level stock is flying off the shelf. If you're an apartment that's under $1 million and you're considering selling, do not wait any longer. The spring is right now.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
So we're seeing activity pick up, stable around that current stock level, but we'll start to see more come on as we head towards spring. Buyers definitely turning out. There's been a definite uptick in people being added to the database for upcoming properties off market. So I definitely see a busy spring period, especially around that entry-level stock.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
So far it looks as though we're looking at a cut in the future. Oh, can you stop me again?
No.
I think I ran to get in here taking a bit of a big breath. So it's taking a breath with the vendors, just waiting. Buyers are pretty frantic. I've been showing some properties every day, so it's a good time to be selling or buying.
Nice. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Buyer numbers are improving. We're seeing stock levels in the commercial market do really well with office sales and especially the storage units. Getting a lot more inquiries from the residential buyers who are just downsizing, especially downsizing in areas like Dee Why and Manly. So if you're looking to lease out or purchase an investment property, the under $500,000 office market or industrial market is doing really well. Thank you.
Bit more stock coming on. We've got a very busy day today seeing all of the new listings that are coming on. I don't think there's going to quite be an avalanche of stock. Stock levels are still quite low, but there is serious talks about the RBA reducing those interest rates next month. And even at that reduction of 0.25%, it has really heated up that market.
15 seconds. It's been an interesting week on our property market. A lot of the team saying that the levels are still low with stock on the Northern Beaches, hearing that all the time. Residential rents are still on the rise, even though it's winter for the Northern Beaches. The essential stock, the essential 1-bedders, the 2-bedders, the under that sort of 1.1 mark for the 2-bedders and under that sort of 800 mark, the 850 mark for the 1-bedders is doing the houses in the Northern Beaches, again, essential stock. So those entry-level 3-bedders are doing exceptionally well on the Northern Beaches. And over to the commercial market, that seems to be pumping. We're doing a lot of storage units at 220,000. People are putting those in their super. That's been popular. Warehouses, popular. The retail strip, retail front rental is a little bit on the lower side. So confidence in business is showing and reflecting and showing it's a little bit weaker with rents. That's a snap.